Hi guys! Today we have a fantastic paneer recipe for you, and I'm saying fantastic because it's a 5-minute recipe. I often go for this recipe when I want to quick fix breakfast or sometimes even for dinner when I'm back from work and quickly need to prepare something for dinner. Let's see the ingredients list. So here I have some paneer which I have already cut into cubes, some Greek yogurt, tomato puree, salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, which as I always say you can adjust to your taste, and some turmeric powder. We also need some oil for the cooking. Let's start making the mixture for marination. Here I have some Greek yogurt. To that I'm gonna add some tomato puree. These two ingredients will make the sauce thick. Everything goes in. I'm gonna give it a quick stir just to combine them well. And now I'm gonna gradually add all the spices. Everything goes in. I'm gonna give it a good stir to mix everything in, as we are not gonna keep the paneer pieces in the mixture for a very long time. I want to make sure that everything is mixed together. Now it's time to add paneer pieces in the mixture. The reason I love this recipe so much is that it's such a quick one. Sometimes for breakfast I'm heating a roti or paratha on one side and this one is cooking on the other side and is ready within 5 minutes. Let's move to the stove now. I'm gonna heat up some oil in a pan. The temperature is set on medium, and once oil heats up, I'm gonna add paneer cubes. I'm gonna give it a quick stir just to mix it with the oil, and then for next 5 minutes all I'm gonna do is keep an eye on it and stir occasionally. Now here I'm using a non-stick pan, so I don't need to stir it much, but if you are using a different kind of pan, just keep an eye on it so that the sauce doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It's been 5 minutes and the paneer dish is ready. I'm gonna give it a quick stir now just to see if everything is done. Yes. If you need a little bit more gravy, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water halfway through the cooking, but I'm gonna make it a little bit dry today. If you add a little bit of water, that will definitely give you a thinner gravy, which is really nice with roti paratha and rice, but sometimes this dry version also works great. Now it's time to dish it up, and here's our 5-minute paneer ready. Today I'm gonna enjoy it with some nice paratha. Try this recipe at home. If you have any questions, please put them on the comment box below and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Please subscribe to our channel And if you need a printable version of the ingredients list, visit our website www.bublisworldcuisine.com.